Students, today I am going to explain chapter number 2 exponents. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4. This is in an exponential form where 4 is called exponent and 2 is called base. Again, a to the power n is equal to a into a into a into dot 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 into a. It means here a is multiplied by n times. This exponent can be read as 2 to the fourth power or 2 to the power 4. Now I am going to explain the various laws of exponent. The first law, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. See, if bases are same and if exponents are different and exponents are in the multiplication form, their powers are added. Example, 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 will be equal to 2 to the power 5 plus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 8. Now see, here bases are same and powers are different and exponents are multiplied, then in such a case the powers of exponent should be added. Second law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m minus n. Here exponents are in division form. In such a case, powers are subtracted. Example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 square, and it is further equal to 4. Third law, a to the power m and whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now see, if power of exponent is given, if power of n exponent is given, then power should be multiplied. Example, 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power 5 is equal to 2 into 3, 2 to the power 3 into 5 is equal to 2 to the power 15. Number 4, a into b to the power m. Here a and b are multiplied. In such a case, it will be equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. Example, 2 into 3 to the power 4 will be equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Number 5, a by b to the power m will be equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. If base is in the form of fraction, then we should write the exponent separately. Here a will carry power m to become a to the power m, b will also carry power m to become b to the power m. Example, 2 by 3 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. Number 6, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. If power of an exponent is 0, its value becomes 1. Example, 100 to the power 0 is 1, 25 to the power 0 is 1, and 1 to the power 0 is also 1. Number 7, a to the power minus 1. If power of an exponent is negative, then we have to take reciprocal, then it will become a. Example, 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. 8. A by b to the power minus 1 will be just reciprocal. It will be b by a to the power 1, or simply we can write b by a. Next, let me do few sums from the exercise. Exercise number 2, question number 1. Evaluate. Let me do the first part. 2 to the power minus 3, as I explained that if power is negative, then we have to take reciprocal. So it will be 1 by 2 to the power 3. Further, it will be 2 into 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Number 4, a to the power 5 into a to the power minus 5. Now see, here bases are same and exponents are in product form, so you will use the law a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So the value of this sum will be equal to a to the power 5 plus minus 5, a to the power 5 plus into minus is minus, so a to the power 0, and if any exponent is with 0 power, its value will become 1. Number 7, this is question number 7. Reciprocal we have to take. It will be 1 by 2, and this will be 1 by 3. Then further this 2 will be multiplied with the numerator, and this 3 will be multiplied with this numerator. So it will be 2 plus 3, 2 by 1, 3 by 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next, number 9. A cube divided by a to the power minus 2, it will be a 3 minus 2, finally it will be a 3 minus into minus plus 2, a to the power 5. So children, this is all for today. We will discuss the remaining sums in next video. Thank you. That's all.